Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to this special webinar. I'm just going to give you some updates on weekly outlook and what I am looking in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Also, if you would like to join the course, you can join the course. You can join my Twitter to understand realistic based my post. I mean, some of the posts are very realistic, and I don't frequently post every day, 6 or 7 or something. At least one post will be there where you will understand what the market will happen. Okay, so let me get the tools. So I need a tool. 1 second, please. Okay, now let's come to the Nifty media, and very frankly, uh, although it made a very deep pullback, it has broken this. It will break that. Despite whatever it happened, there is a divergence, there is a divergence, there is a divergence on weekly also. So this has to go up. And how far it will go? Just a minute, I'll go to the weekly. You can come to know what I'm trying to say is that on this weekly, we are looking for one more up to 3000. So let's say 3000 is an immediate forecast. That means almost we are looking in a twice whatever the investments we are making in, we are looking for doubling the investment. Okay, so let's look into the small cap. Small cap, you can see it's in the channel. All the channels, they are basically suggesting that they will have a rally. Okay, the channel which has made, there is a divergence, but yet we have. So wait for this channel to, okay, I'm sorry for that. 1 second, please. Wait for this to make an doji or something, and wait for this to rise, give a flag, then you can go for it. Okay, then you can go for it. Energy, we are looking for one more rise up in the energy up to 42,000. We are looking for up to 42,000. See, this is wave A, this is wave B, and we are looking for wave C somewhere short here. The wave C from here, when it comes down, it will be very short by distance. That we can understand that. We have some methods that basically pan out based on this thing. Now, this is Medicap. We are looking for a Medicap to go up to 68,000. I think last time I told you we are looking that, and it doesn't matter. Medicap, whatever is right. Bank Nifty, due to the bank union strike, it might gap down and then start moving up. Okay. So I will discuss about the Bank Nifty and the Nifty. 1 second, please. Fin Nifty also same. Auto, it is going to make a pullback now. Uh, Usually they make one small pullback like this before the coming down. So once when it completes, this become a zigzag pattern, and at that moment your channel will come here, and then you can look for one more move up. Fine, let's do it. Sensex, we are looking for actually we are looking for a gap up and go up to 84,000. Why we are looking for an 84,000? Because it becomes from here to here, it's a steep. So we look for one more move before, if it goes down also. Yes, we agree for that. Even if it goes from here, if it turns upside also, we agree for that. So it is in between. Okay. FMCG, we are looking for one more move up from here. I think the budget will take us to 62,000, which will be around about 20%, 25%. Bitcoin, I don't think you are trading in Bitcoin. If you are trading, do not trade this. Although it is going up, you can make an exit somewhere here in 99,500 something. IT, we are looking for one more expansion in the IT. One more expansion in the sense. Can it come down here? It is possible, but it's likely to heading towards 40,961. It's around about 7 to 8%. You can look into the IT. Some stocks will move more than 20%. Now let's come to the Nifty. Nifty, I will come back to the 1 hour. I know whatever it is, we have a divergence here, we have convergence, and we have a divergence between these two. So what we are looking basically is we are looking for a gap up in the first phase. The gap will open from here or it may remain there tomorrow. From there again we are looking in a gap to make up to 25,500. We are looking this 25,500 and the first gap can be 175 points. If the first gap becomes 175, it will remain in the sideways. For example, this was there in the sideways, right? So it will remain somewhere in the sideways before gapping up and heading towards 25,500. We are not looking in the Nifty, we are not looking the break of this. No, we are not looking for it. All right. If you want to join, one second, if you want to join, see, I always say that joining a better education course will give you the lot of yield. We can see some stocks. Just a minute, I'll see that. See, we are looking for this. This is facing. We are facing a divergence here. We are probably looking for a drop and reverse. Okay. Then we are seeing an Alcargo. One second. Alcargo. We are looking upside move. Bandhan, I told you Bandhan will go upside, means it is upside. It made up to 152 and then closed around 149, right? It's okay. 149.30 it closed. It's okay, no problem. We are looking in a gap up and move upside. Okay, so let's wait for it. Yes, the gap is very big. 5% plus it gapped up on Friday. VPCL. VPCL, it has formed a pattern that normally we say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 end of the trend, and it has become the first pivot line. We call it as a pivot line, you call it as a first support or whatever it is. So when it breaks that, we get a pullback. So we are looking for 374 before coming down to 327. So we will be trading in FNO. If you are interested, you can just join the course. You will get the education course and you can make money. See, for one more example I would like to show you. See, on the daily, if you think that it is around about 12-13% move, but on the weekly when you see this, you will come to know that it's hardly going to make double top. Sorry for that. Camps, we are still looking at downward move. Delivery, we are looking an upside move. Wait for this. It is contracting here. So wait for one more drop and move up. Okay. If it bounce out and close above, you are good for entry. Okay. What are we looking in delivery? We are looking somewhere. Okay, more than 600 we are looking. Long term. Davis, we are looking for one more move up. It is around about 1,400, 1,100 points. DLF, we want the price to close or reverse between this 576 and 521. What will happen? We will wait for it. DMART, although it is bounced strongly, we need a price to close above this. Then only we are going up and with the stop below here. Okay. Gale, it's too much. Let's see, wait for it. Don't do anything. Don't enter now. This is making a flag pattern here and move above this. Stop here is an entry for upside move. Suppose if it drops here at 1194 and the reverses and closes daily on the bullish here, we are entering for next 30% move. Okay, or 20% move. Havels, Havels was expected to bounce from here. It did not bounce. We are waiting for the reversal to take place. Once the reversal take place, we will go for it. Indy Hotel, we are looking for 615. IOC, ignore it. IRFC, deceived, ignore it. Jindal Steel, yes, it got rejected. It is in a very complex pattern. If it price closes below this, it will come here before going up. Okay. All right. I made this a very short video. If you want to join the course, you can join the course, and you can. The best thing is you can follow me in the Twitter so that you can come to know. And I have made it here. Join the education course, full course on FNO trading, custom indicator, trade FNO like a pro. Of course, once when you join the course, before joining the course, you will come to know what are the things that will be taught to you. So just you can, if you want to follow me, follow Twitter, and you can DM me your problems. I can able to solve. I will solve. Okay. Thank you. Bye.